Lead magnets can be anything from an ebook to a case study to a webinar replay and etc. Lead magnets can increase your conversion rate by as much as 300%. Once your visitor enters his or her details like name, email ID on your landing page, you can share your lead magnet with them. And as the name suggests, it's a lead magnet. So you will have some downloadable resource or a YouTube link to a YouTube video, which you can use as a lead magnet. Hi guys, this is Jocelyn Walia from Team Learn Today, and in this SOP, I will help you to learn how you can share lead magnets with ConvertKit landing pages. And for demonstration in this SOP, we will share an ebook as a lead magnet. So without further ado, let's get into the video. So let me just quickly explain to you how a lead magnet with ConvertKit pages would work. When a visitor will enter his or her name, email ID, any other fields that you have added on your landing page to get the ebook or other lead magnet, an automated email, also called as an incentive email, will be sent to them via ConvertKit. The purpose of this email is to confirm the subscribers. There is a button in the email that allows them to do so. And once they click on the button, they will be redirected to the ebook or lead magnet, any other lead magnet that you are offering as the lead magnet. So there you go. Let's just get into the video, understand the process of how it works. And once you try it once or twice, you will definitely get the hang of it. All right, guys, so the first thing that you have to do is get on your ConvertKit landing page, create it, edit it according to your needs, according to how you want it to be. And then right now, our objective over here is that we want to add a downloadable resource to our landing page. So when a person hits on subscribe or download in this case, they will get the resource that you are offering to them or providing to them. For example, if I want to say learn how to sell stuff, get a free ebook. All right, I'm just gonna save it. Awesome. So right now over here, I'm offering a free ebook. So if they give me their first name, their email address, and their company name, they would expect an ebook, right? So what you have to do is go to settings from right here. Awesome. So your success message right now says success. Now check your email to confirm your subscription. Instead of this, you can just write check your email to get your free ebook. Next, you have to go ahead and click on incentive from right here. So once you come to incentive, the first thing that we want to do is edit the email contents. So we will click here on the gray button. And as you can see, important, confirm your subscription. Let's change the subject. Get your free ebook from here. And then thanks for signing up. Click the link below to get your free ebook. You can write whatever you want. I'm just editing it really simple over here just to show you what it exactly is. So click the link below to get free ebook and you'll be on your way. And over here, you can just don't touch this URL section. You can just click once, delete the text. Don't touch the URL section of it. Delete the text, get the ebook. All right, that's done. And we can just save it from here. And if it's a YouTube video, you can just put the URL of the YouTube video here. If you click here, you can put the URL of the YouTube video here. But what we are doing right now is we are giving a free ebook. So we are going to hit on download. And then we will choose the file or the resource that we are offering to them. So let me just choose that particular file from right here. Awesome. So I have attached the ebook over here. Now let it load. And we can save it. All right, so let's save this, publish, copy, and we open it in a new tab and check. Awesome. So this looks good. Exactly what we wanted. Let's fill in the details and check our email to see if our ebook is arriving. Let's subscribe. Success. Now check your email to get your free ebook. Awesome. Let's go to our email. All right. So as you can see, it's saying thanks for signing up. Click the link below to get your free ebook and you'll be on your way. And when you hit on get the ebook, it will redirect you to the ebook that you wanted. And you can just go ahead and download it as well. And there you go. You have successfully added a downloadable resource in your ConvertKit landing page. Thanks for watching the video, you guys. If there's any confusion about the lead magnets and ConvertKit landing pages, you can definitely put them in the comment section down below. Go and hit on the like button as well as the subscribe button along with the notification bell icon so that you can get updates on whenever we come up with new videos. This is Jaswin Valia, and I will see you in my next SOP.